To claim pending Robux or fixed Robux donation not showing up for Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can claim pending Robux on Roblox. So in order to begin with, open up a web browser and then log in into your Roblox account. Once you're logged into your Roblox account, you can see there is an icon located in the top right hand side corner. Click on the icon. After that, you'll be able to see all of your information. After that, a drop down menu appears. From the list, you need to go ahead and tap on My Transaction. It's going to direct you to the transaction page or My Transaction page here. If you have any pending Robux, then you'll be able to see pending Robux right over here. And after that, what you can do is, in order to claim it, you'll need to go to summary, click on it, and you'll be able to see transaction history. As soon as you click on transaction history on the other page, you'll be able to see the pending Robux. After that, you can just go ahead and tap on the claim button, or you can just tap on that three dot icon, and then you'll be able to claim your pending Robux. So in this way, you can claim pending Robux into your Roblox account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.